Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can hear your own voice in your headset on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, right-click the volume icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Select Sound Settings. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Now open the Recording tab. Locate your microphone from the list of recording devices. Right-click your microphone and select Properties. Open the Listen tab. Make sure the option Listen to this device is unchecked. If it's enabled, disable it. Now click Apply and then OK. Check if you can still hear your own voice through your headset. If the issue persists, continue with the next solution. Solution 2. Right-click the volume icon again and select Sound Settings. Under the Output section, make sure your correct headphones or speakers are selected. This is the device where Windows will send audio. Next, scroll down to the Input section. Make sure your microphone is selected as the active input device. Incorrect input or output device selections can sometimes cause audio feedback and echo issues. Once you've confirmed the settings, close the window. Test your microphone and headset to see if the echo or microphone playback issue has been resolved. You should no longer hear your own voice through your headset, and microphone feedback or echo issues should be fixed.